Today I'm gonna get this little snowmobile ready to sell. I gotta reattach the seat, clean it up a little bit, make sure everything's still working, make sure it starts good, everything like that. Then I gotta take some pictures of it and post it. I was gonna keep this thing, but the things I liked about it, like it's 2-stroke, so mix the gas, smells like a snowmobile, all that. It's old, got cool graphics on it, like it looks really neat, but it's just, I kind of want to sell it and buy one of the newer ones with the 4-stroke engine. Just a little bit easier maintenance. Not that I think this would need any more now, because I rebuilt the whole engine, because Buddy told me that it didn't need to be rebuilt, but it needed to be rebuilt, so I had to order all the parts. There's a video on that. Right now that I got it running, I kind of just don't want it anymore, and I want to just get something else. So I put it on the lift, we'll bring it up. I got to attach the seat. We'll go over it a little bit, but yeah. We'll take some pictures of it and post it online and see what we get. Oh. Gee. I got this thing. I bought a lot of stuff like this for cheap. It was in a marketplace ad, but they weren't selling this. It was in the background. Like, just because somebody's selling these gloves on marketplace, but you can see whatever, something in the background that you're like, I want that. Just ask them. You don't have to, like, there's no rules on marketplace. If you want to ask them something, ask them. So he's like, well, it could be for sale. Anyway, I was excited and wanted it, so hopped in the truck, went and got it. He pulled it over, it ran, but the crank bearing was bad. I've explained this all before, but so I put a ton of work into this thing, but I bought it cheap enough that even though I had to rebuild the engine, I may not make a lot of money, but I'm not going to lose. So I'll make a couple $100 or whatever, which is what you want. You don't want to buy something for what it's worth or overpriced just because you really want it and come to find out it's blowing up and you got to put a bunch more work into it. Anyway, that has nothing to do with what we're doing here now. Like I said, got to attach this seat, dust it off, pull it over, put some fresh gas in it, make sure it's running tip top, and get some pictures of it, and we'll throw it online. Oh. Okay. This is taking a little longer than I thought. That's all you need right there. It's got issues, which I'll tell people about. Like, the front of the cab there is all beat up, and he's got some war wounds, but the seat's a little damaged. Missing the key. Alright, so now that I got it running, I guess I'll just drag it out and get some pictures of it and post it online. I'm thinking it'll sell relatively quick. Like, I'm gonna price it reasonably, not right out to lunch. I'm not trying to make any money off it, really. I'm just trying to at least get my money back, but I should make a few $100. That's all you can really hope for, I guess. And then we'll probably buy another one. Oh, man. It's heavy, but it's not that light either. machine here, this is an example of something you could do relatively easily. Like, these don't pop up all the time, but I bought one that had a few things wrong with it that were fixable. A little bit more wrong with it than I originally thought, but as you see, I just fixed it. So you buy something like this, little beat up, needs a little this, little that, needed a tail light, whatever, for X amount of dollars, or you could go spend crazy money and buy one that's like in perfect shape. Well, you're gonna have, well, not me, a kid's gonna have just as much fun on this as they would on a mint one for a fraction of the price, and with the money you didn't spend on that, you could buy this, and now your kid can have fun on this all summer. And you still didn't, between the two of these, for what I paid for them, I still didn't pay what one of those is worth, a really nice one, or one of these is worth a really nice one. So I got two toys that needed work, lots of work, but it was all easy work that anybody could do. And now I got two things, you know, year-round fun for a kid for the price of one of them. That's the way I usually buy things. Like that four-wheeler that you can't see, I bought that new because I plan to keep that my entire life. But anything that's just like gonna come and go, somebody's gonna outgrow it, or I'm just gonna get it running and get bored of it and want to sell, it's all just junk. Just like this. I've always been the person that just buy junk. I shouldn't call it junk, but just stuff like this. Like something that's not running, you get it super cheap, you fix it, you clean the curb, you do this, you do that, and then you got a perfectly good running machine for a fraction of the price of what you could spend on one of these. Like this here, if I wanted to, I could go spend $3,000 and get a brand new one that I wouldn't want to get scratched, and I'd have to be careful with it. This thing here could fall over right now, and I wouldn't care. This thing will last another 20 years or more. I also like dealing with this stuff. And I've done it plenty before. Maybe I'll try it again, but so you start with, well, this would have been a perfect thing to start with. So you start with this. You spend $200 on a dirt bike. You get it running. You had to put whatever, $100, $200 into it. So now you got a $300 to $400 dirt bike. You sell it for $1,500 or $2,000, and now you got $1,000 or $1,500 profit to go buy something else. So now with that $1,500, you go buy this. And then you do a bit of work, replace the light, fix the seat, windshield, get the motor running, clean the curb, whatever else. Then you sell that for $3,000, and you just keep trading up. Or I guess it's not trading because you're selling, but you buy this, sell it, buy that. Sell it, buy something else, sell it, buy something else, sell it. Next thing you know, you could be driving around in a diesel truck or a four-wheeler or something that you actually want, and you keep it for the price of $200 to $300. Alright, so there you see, I took some pictures of it. I posted it online probably 15 minutes ago. So now we wait and see how many people are gonna say, is this still available, or would you take $50 for it? Eventually I'll get somebody that'll buy it, but for now, we'll wait. And for me, like, I love the buying part. The selling part, it's not that I'm attached to the thing that I don't like selling. I don't like selling because A, I don't like dealing with a lot of people, which is the main reason. And B, it's just, I know what it's like to buy something that needs a lot of work, or you buy something and it breaks the next day, or whether it's the person that sold it's fault or not, stuff happens. And I don't want to be that. It's almost like I'm paranoid of being that person. Like I sell something and it breaks on their way home and I feel bad and blah, blah, blah. So I hate when I sell something, there's like a week to 2 week period that I keep thinking about it and hope it's fine. And then eventually I just forget about it. But anyway, I don't like selling things. I like buying things. If you don't sell anything, eventually you have way too much stuff. So it's kind of something you got to do. Anyway, that's it for this video. Just want to show you getting this thing ready, throwing it up. Oh, my phone just went off there. Yeah, oh, here we go. Here's our first. I'll buy it for $1,000. Yeah, I bet you would. And I don't even reply to people. If I don't like their answer or their question, I'm not replying. Like, he knows that's not a good offer. Anyway, that's it for this video. Just want to show you getting this thing ready, getting ready for Marketplace, throwing it up, and talk a little bit about, I guess, my thoughts behind buying junk. We'll see you on the next video. Later.